What's up, Ipsonistas? This is Kim John, your host for this new episode of the Pillar Paul, Anong Say ng People. In line with the celebration of the National Teachers Month with the theme Together for Teachers, which aims to recognize the pivotal role of educators in the society, we will interview some teachers in the campus and ask them about, kung hindi ka teacher, ano ka ngayon?
By the way, I am Raul Renique Rubin, faculty member of the School of Criminal Justice Education. Currently, I am handling criminal law, subject criminal law, criminal procedure, and court testimony, criminal evidence. For the past 2 semesters, I was also handling a technical English writing legal forms in the same school within the Biliran Province State University. I have 2 kids and currently appointed as Instructor 1, regular status.
Thank you po. Sir, kamusta po? Kamusta po ang pagiging teacher?
It's very challenging because in the sense na students think that we are considered as the second parents of the students inside the school.
Thank you, sir. What is the most memorable thing as a teacher?
One of the most memorable thing for me as far as my experience as a teacher, when I saw my students taking the so-called taking the step towards their success, like for example, the stair of graduation. And that is one of my most memorable experience as a teacher, seeing my student fulfill their dreams.
Thank you po. Lahat tayo ay may childhood dreams aside sa pagiging teacher. Kung hindi ka teacher, ano ka ngayon?
If I were not a teacher today, I am pretty sure I am a lawyer because that is my childhood obsession, to become a lawyer.
Your first question is, kamusta ka po? Kamusta po ang pagiging teacher?
Actually, it's quite fine. It's a mixture of everything, no? Tiring, kapoy, fulfilling, and wonderful. It's a really good experience if you really love teaching, though.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's so glad to hear that from our teacher, despite the busy and hectic schedule. So glad, ma'am. Thank you so much. Second is, what is the most memorable thing as a teacher?
I've only been teaching for I think 6 years now, but I think the most memorable thing is that your former students remember you and they thank you for all the things that you've done for them. I think that was the most heartwarming thing ever for me as a teacher. No, it was, I think, way back year 2018 when one of my problematic students messaged me personally and said that he thanked me for all the sacrifices I've done, for all the help that I've given to him. And I think that was very touching for me as a teacher.
Thank you, ma'am. So, of course, lahat tayo may childhood dream. Aside from pagiging teacher. For the final question, kung hindi ka teacher, ano ka po ngayon?
I still remember when I was still elementary, our grade 6 teacher asked us, what do we want to become in the future? My answer was, I want to become a chef. Then after, I want to become a teacher. So, it's, I think, just a both of those. But if hindi ako teacher right now, I think I would be a doctor of medicine for that one. Because I wanted to pursue nursing, but due to some instances, I was not able to take up nursing. And then, yeah, I think I would be a doctor.
So, hi, I am Almira Loriclaire Itol. I'm 28 years old and Currently, I just got hired for the Department of Agriculture and Fisheries po from Biliran Campus.
Thank you. Ma'am, kamusta ka po? Kamusta po ang pagiging teacher?
Well, for the kamusta na part, I'm really happy kasi nga kaka-hire ko lang po as a regular faculty. Pagiging teacher, still adjusting kasi kaka 1 month ko pa lang talaga in service po doon sa Biliran Campus. But if you are gonna ask me, how's my stay here at the main campus? First, namimiss ko po talaga yung mga kabataan ko dito. Especially ako, shout out BS Cream ng mga students nga na under ni ma'am. They know me. And for the students naman po for BS Fisheries, okay naman so far, mababait yung mga bata doon, may respeto sa akin. And it's just that nag-adjust pa ko especially sa language because Bisaya man ko, tas akong mga estudyante, waray-waray. Pero so far, I'm good. They're good.
Thank you, ma'am. What is the most memorable thing as a teacher?
I think for me, the most memorable would be going back nung andito pa ako sa main campus. I think the most memorable part for me was katong gipa-bonus na ako ang pangalan. It's +5 ha. +5 na siya. Lahat ng na-under kay Ma'am Almira, kamaona sila kung unsa to ka-memorable nga time for me. Yon.
Lahat tayo ay may childhood dream aside sa pagiging teacher. Kung hindi ka teacher, ano ka po ngayon?
Actually, to be honest ha, first and foremost, being a teacher was wala gyud siya sa ako ang murag mga dreams na ako nga kanang top 5 nga dreams na akong gusto, but because my family is a family of teachers, so mo na siya na influensya na himong teacher ang person, imagine that. But given a chance to really follow my childhood dream, probably flight attendant yun unta ang person. Kung dili man papala rin, magminyo na lang unta o flight attendant. So yun.
Kamusta po? Kamusta ang pagiging teacher?
Stress. Kasi maraming trabaho, left and right, even though which is not part of our specifications sa aming trabaho, but we are doing our best to give quality education to our students.
Thank you po. Laban, sir, laban. What is the most memorable thing as a teacher?
The most memorable thing to being a teacher is to produce a good competitive students. Kahit nakaka-stress yung mga bata, but I'm happy na they are willing to be maging magaling sa kanilang areas ng responsibilities.
Okay, for the last question po, kung hindi ka teacher, ano ka po ngayon?
A beauty queen joke. No. If I'm not a teacher, actually on my college days, my ambition is to become a manager in one of the hotel in Los Angeles. But eventually, ito nabagsak sa pagiging teacher, but I'm happy.
Kamusta po ang pagiging teacher?
So far it's exhausting as well as tiring, but it's enjoyable when you share information to students, especially in my field, accounting. I just love the idea that I get to share the knowledge to them.
Thank you. What is the most memorable thing as a teacher?
The most memorable, yes. As what I've said, the most memorable thing about being a teacher is you got something that you share kaning knowledge to them. You help them embody to become something in the future.
Okay po. Lahat kita tanan natay childhood dream aside sa pagiging teacher. The question is, kung dili ka teacher today, unsa man ka karon?
Yes, kung dili ko teacher, I just a quick background. I graduated Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. So if for now I am preparing for my board. So if I am not a teacher today, I will be a certified public accountant. An accountant maybe here also in BIPSO where I can serve my alma mater. Thank you.
Kamusta po ang pagiging guro?
Fulfilling siya kasi yung purpose ko na magabayan natin sila para sa kanilang magandang kinabukasan at magiging silang parte ng ating lipunan masaya ako na makapagbigay ng ambag kahit sa ganitong mga maliliit na pamamaraan ay makatulong tayo bago tayo mawala sa mundo, bago tayo. At yun yung mayroong purpose yung buhay natin. So masaya ako maging guro, saka particularly masaya rin ako maging guro dito sa Biliran Province State University.
Bilang isang guro po, ano po yung hindi nyo malilimutang karanasan or mga bagay?
Ay, madami. So, isa na po dyan yung mga collaboration, pag merong mga occasion. So, kami mga teacher, sabay-sabay kami nagpa-practice kuminsan ng mga mga sayaw, mga kanta. Yung minsan may mga masasayang tawanan sa classroom na pag may mga humor na gano'n. Yun, masaya na nakikita natin na umuunlad yung bawat isa at the same time nag-i-enjoy habang natututo.
Lahat po tayo, sir, ay may childhood dream aside sa pagiging teacher. Pero sa tingin nyo po, ano po yung kinalalagyan or ano ka po ngayon kung hindi ho kayo naging guro?
Ako hindi naging guro. Sa totoo, no, nung nandun pa ako sa Manila, hindi pa ako teacher. Talagang nagtuturo na ako. Ang tawag nga nila sa community namin, Teacher Alay, ang pangalan ko doon. Sa buong community ng Naiya International, Naiya yung area doon. Pero nung bata ako, ang gusto ko noon is maging engineer. Tapos, eventually, nung nakapagtrabaho na ako, gusto ko nang magtrabaho din sa Intellectual Property Office. Gusto ko maging inventor, gusto ko maging researcher talaga na full-time. Yung nag-i-invento lang, yung fully dedicated for that purpose. Pero, kahit sa lahat ng yon, parang masasabi ko na satisfied ako. Baka mas satisfied pa ako ngayon kaysa sa kung hindi ako naging teacher. Yun lang.
Kamusta po ang pagiging teacher?
Bilang isang guro, masaya, challenging, and you can help for the students.
That's good po. What is the most memorable thing as a teacher po?
Para na ako, the memorable things about a teacher is to teach the student to become a role model.
For the last question, lahat tayo ay may childhood dream aside sa pagiging teacher. Kung hindi ka po teacher, ano ka po ngayon?
Kung dili ko teacher, gusto ko mahimong CEO.
Kumusta po ang pagiging teacher?
Masaya, nakaka-enjoy naman.
What is the most memorable thing as a teacher?
Yung feeling na may nakakaalala sa mga discussion mo, especially yung may mga memes na tinatag ka na ma'am, ganito yung mga itinuro mo dati na hanggang ngayon hindi nila nakakalimutan.
Lahat po tayo ay may childhood dreams aside sa pagiging teacher. The final question is, kung hindi ka po teacher, ano ka po ngayon?
Businesswoman, kasi mahilig akong magtinda ng kahit ano, sari-sari at iba pa.
We heard you, ma'am and sir. But before the celebration ends, we want to greet all the teachers and educator a happy Teachers Month. It has been a fun interview with you. Kung kayo ang tatanungin, ma'am and sir, kung hindi ka teacher, ano ka ngayon? You can tell us your answers in the comment section below. This has been your host, Kim John, and watch out for the next episode of The Pillar Paul, Anong Say ng People.